looking for a way to show community pages on your website, we have a great solution for you. Actually, in this video, we'll cover two solutions you can use. So the first one is called the Community Areas widget, which is this one right here. And the other one is called the Counts widget. The main difference between both of them is that the Community Areas work with images, while the other one is more like a grid with the names of the communities and the number of listings. For both of these options, you're going to need to have saved links first. We have other videos and tutorials showing you how to create saved links, so we're not going to cover that part in this video. Once you have your saved links created, all you're going to need to do is search for them here on the community areas. But for now, let's go back to the IDX Add-ons dashboard app so we can show you from the beginning. So you want to click on here on the community areas and then widgets and create widget. We're going to put a name to it and then we're going to click on save widget and then on setup over here. Now we can start adding our saved links. So first we're going to add Miami Beach. We're going to add in total 3 so that it doesn't take that much time, because the app, every time that you add an item as a saved link, it's going to generate an image using AI so that it looks nice. Okay, so that's been added. Let's go ahead and add Doro as the second one, and then we're gonna add another one right now. Okay, so that's added, and now the final saved link we're gonna add is called Coral. So let's go ahead and add that. And we have styles to change the layout for this app that we're going to see in a few moments. But once you've added your saved links, you can replace the images on these little icons right here. Right now, let's copy the code snippet all the way at the bottom so we can see what it looks like. We go to JS Fiddle, which is a code runner, open that up, paste our code in there, hit run, and it's going to show us what it would look like for now. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, you can replace the images if you go back here on these icons. And you can also replace the layout under the Styles tab here. Choose a different layout. You can replace the colors and fonts so that the widget matches whatever you have on your website. And on the other hand, we have the Counts app. The Counts app works in a similar way. You click here and add a new widget over here. Start adding the saved links that you want to add. So let's do Miami. Let's do Doro again. And we're going to do the same ones. Let's do Coral Gables. Let's go ahead and save that. And you are going to be able to copy the code from this section right here. This is where you're going to find the code. And we also have a Styles tab at the top with some layouts you can change. And of course, you're able to change the colors, and we have some other styling options here for you. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like here on a new tab. We're going to go again to JS Fiddle. So we paste the code and hit run. And there you go. That's how this widget looks like. This is more of like a grid view. It also adjusts the column size according to the screen size. If you add more, they will be added here in more rows. So on both the community areas and the Counts app, if you click on an item, it will show you, of course, the listings of that saved link. This is what you see, for example, in the Miami one. This is the demo data from one of our demo accounts, but it would show your actual listings. We would recommend using the Community Areas app only if you want to feature a few communities. But if you want to feature more than 6 or 8, it's going to generate a lot of scrolling for your users, especially if they're looking at these on their phones. So if you have a lot of communities, we recommend using the Counts app, which is this one, for a better user experience. I hope you find both of these apps useful. We'll see you on the next one.